Alright, I'm going to do a full unboxing and feature review on this Fox Spook red dot that CVLIFE sent me. There's a few key features on this red dot, one of them being its waterproof rating, its anti-fog rating, and its shake awake. Plus it has a durable finish. This is the riser that comes with it. It's about an inch tall. It is a pretty narrow window for co-witnessing, but it works all the same. Now let's get to the bread and butter of this, the red dot itself. I actually really like this lens cover that it has on here. It's excuse me, it's rubberized, and this is the body of what we have here. It's not a super light red dot, but the red dot itself is super visible. It has a projector in there, and this is what it looks like outside. Granted, this is like 30 yards out, so it's harder to see there, but nice and bright, and you can dim it super easily with buttons on the side that give you nice feedback. It's really simple, just bright, dim, and the power on and off button. On the top and on the sides we have these windage and elevation knobs that are fully protected, and you are able to adjust it like you would any other red dot. Looking over the whole thing, this is really sturdy build, and it attaches like any other red dot would to a Picatinny rail, and it has a top mount battery, which means you don't have to take off the red dot to change the battery. I wanted to test out the shake awake option, so you'll see that there's a timer going in the bottom right hand corner. It's supposed to shut off after 8 minutes, and it does right about here, and just a little tap on the bed doesn't do it, but a little bit harder tap does turn it right back on. This is a great red dot that is sleek, doesn't have any markings on the side, so if you're looking for a nice, sleek, durable red dot, this is definitely a good one for you.